Python has multiple data types and data structures that you can use to store and manipulate data efficiently. In this video, we will discuss the Python data type range. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most useful and often underestimated data structures in Python, the range object. You've probably used it in a loop before, but there's a lot more going on under the hood. Let's explore what range is and how to make the most of it. Range is a built-in Python data structure that represents an immutable sequence of numbers, commonly used for looping a specific number of times. You can think of range like a lightweight, memory-efficient version of a list of numbers, but it doesn't actually store all the numbers in memory. Unlike a list or tuple, a range object is lazy, meaning it generates numbers on demand. That makes it very efficient, especially for large sequences. This is called a lazy iterable, meaning Python calculates each number as you loop through it, rather than storing everything up front. Range is most often used in for loops, but it's also useful when you need to generate a sequence of numbers, loop through indices, slice strings, lists, or arrays, control iteration step size, either forward or backward, and avoid memory overhead when working with large ranges. You'll see it all over Python code, from basic scripts to complex applications. Here are some important things to know about range. It takes up to 3 arguments: range, start, stop, and step. It is zero-based. Range 5 means 0 through 4. It's immutable and iterable, but not a list. It supports indexing and slicing like a sequence. And it's very memory efficient, even for large numbers like range 1 billion. Let's take a look at how range works in practice. Here we use a basic range which covers the numbers from 0 to 4. And notice how we're using it in a loop. In addition to the number of items in a range, we can specify a start and a stop argument. Here we use a range from 2 to 6. Notice that it's inclusive of the 2 but exclusive of the stopping value 6. We can also include a step value argument. Here we loop from 0 to 10 with a step of 2, meaning we go 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Recall we're not using the 10 because that's exclusive. You can even step backwards. Here we range from 5 to 0, going backwards 1 step at a time. Ranges can be converted to a list. Here we have a range of 3, which converts to a list with the numbers 0, 1, and 2. Notice ranges have indexes, just like an array, a list, or a tuple. Here we create the range 10 through 20, and then we return the value at index 3, which is 13, and we can use negative numbers to start at the end. So if we range of -1 gives us a 19. Notice how range can act like a list, but without actually creating one unless you explicitly convert it. So that's your quick guide to Python's range data structure. It's simple, efficient, and incredibly versatile. Whether you're writing a for loop, generating indices, or stepping through values, the more you use it, the more you'll appreciate how powerful it really is. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more Python content, and let us know in the comments how you use range in your projects. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy coding.